Hello kids, welcome to my channels. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Black pen, A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. D. D for dog. D for dog. Now time to learn some numbers. One, one. 2, two. 3, three. 4, four. Now colors time. Red color. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Light green color. B for bat. B for ball. Blue color. C for cat. C for candy. C for cat. C for candy. Orange color. D for donkey. D for dog. Black color. 1, one. 1, one. 1, one. Orange color. 2, two. 2, two. 2, two. Yellow color. 3, three. 3, three. 3, 3. 3. 3, 3. Red color. 4, four. 4, 4. Four. 4. 4. Four. So kids, what we learn today? Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, light green color or black color. A for apple. B for ball. C for carrot. D for dog. 1 one. 2 two. 3 three. 4 four. So kids, hope you like my video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.